My name is Bobby Carmona. Today is November 4th, 2018. This is my video week 1 submission for BIO240. In this video I will be labeling a diagram, this format or this Word document, and the picture or diagram was already included. I downloaded it off the website. From here, what I normally do is take advantage of the features that the hardware that I'm using has. For example, the stylus. So to demonstrate, I will begin by saving this photo, which I already have highlighted, but I save the picture into a folder. I have most of mine already organized, so I have my week 1 folder for BIO240. You can see that I've already saved the picture there. So now I would hit save, but from there I go into the week 1 folder, and then I would find the picture, make sure I highlight it, and then edit the picture. So from this screen I'm able to do multiple things, add text, as you can see how it says insert text, as well as draw a line. I normally make everything red, so you can see how it is small, so I normally zoom in, and then again take advantage of the stylus to make it a little bit easier for me. So in this first case I will be labeling the acetyl cell. So I already have everything set up to the right font and the text that I want. So once I do that, I just draw a line to the acetyl cell that I want, and I want to use this red one that's right there just because it's nice and red, and it's different from the next one that I'm going to be labeling, in this case the basophil cell, which are going to be these blue ones here. So next thing I'm going to do is make a new box, and always make sure that there's enough space. You can see it kind of cuts off there, so I'm just going to make sure there's enough space to have everything properly visible. And again, I always make sure of spelling, so basophil cell is properly done, and then I'm going to label it there. Okay, so once I properly labeled the basophil cell, I'm going to continue on to the next one, which is going to be the nucleus of the pituitary right there. So I'll go back to my drawing, create a new text. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger since there's going to be more words. Nucleus of pituitary, and again I always make sure that the spelling is correct, so that looks good. So from here I'm going to label this one right there. Let me go ahead and zoom out. So okay, so from here you can see there's a lot of white space, so what I like to do is just crop it so that way it fits a little bit better. So then I'm just going to highlight the sections that I want and go ahead and hit crop. From here I just select everything, so I do Control A and Control C, and I go back to the Word document that I'm going to input it in. You can see the original's there, so I normally just delete it, and then from there I just paste it back. Once it's pasted, you can see that everything is properly labeled, and then again from here what I do, I just try to make it a little bit bigger just so that it is distinguishable, and there you go. And that is how I would label the proper diagrams, and rinse and repeat basically for everything else. You can see there's quite a bit of diagrams in this week's homework. Plenty to label, so plenty of practice. I appreciate watching the video.